Get ready for an exciting space adventure. SpaceX is all set to take off with a crucial mission, but it's been a bumpy ride so far. After a week of delays, the Falcon 9 rocket is finally ready to blast off from Cape Canaveral, carrying a precious cargo of 24 Amazon Kuiper satellites. The mission, known as Kuiper Falcon 03, has faced some challenging weather conditions. Poor weather at the launch site and offshore has caused several delays. But now the team is optimistic about a successful launch. The scheduled liftoff time is 8:08 p.m. EDT, and Spaceflight Now will be there to bring you all the action live. The weather forecast for Sunday looks promising, with a 95% chance of favorable conditions during the launch window. However, there's a moderate risk for booster recovery due to elevated winds and seas near the landing zone. The weather officers have their eyes on this potential challenge. But here's where it gets interesting. SpaceX is reusing the Falcon 9 first-stage booster, B1091, for this mission. This booster has already flown once and will eventually become a core booster for the Falcon Heavy. Taught about maximizing resources, B1091 is expected to perform an autonomous landing on the drone ship. Just read the instructions. Approximately 8 minutes after liftoff. If successful, this will mark an impressive 138th landing on this vessel and the 517th booster landing overall. Now, that's precision and efficiency. The Kuiper satellite deployment sequence will begin about 56 minutes after liftoff and should be completed within 8 minutes. This mission will bring the total number of satellites in the Kuiper constellation to 153, orbiting in low Earth orbit. This is the 6th mission dedicated to the Kuiper constellation, following 3 launches on United Launch Alliance Atlas V rockets, and 2 on Falcon 9 rockets. It's an exciting journey towards expanding broadband internet access through space. And this is the part most people miss. SpaceX's innovative approach to space exploration and satellite deployment is a game-changer. With reusable boosters and efficient mission planning, they're pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So, are you excited about this mission? Do you think SpaceX's approach to space exploration is revolutionary? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's spark a discussion.